Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to set up multiple Cash App accounts. So here is the question that we have in here. I will just be um, putting the link on the screen so you guys can visit this website also. So we have this question right here. Can you have two Cash App accounts? So the answer is you can have two Cash App accounts using different bank accounts and login credentials. So having two Cash App account is a great feature. So if you want to keep two app accounts, then personal and business. However, you would need to have two different bank accounts. So card, phone number, and email address. So those has to be different. So if we scroll down, here we can see how to create a second Cash App account. So to be able to do that, you just have to download and launch the Cash App on your smartphone. So if you're logged in to your account, you just have to click on the profile icon from the top of the screen, then scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on sign out option. So after signing out, the first account, then it will be redirected to the sign in page. So you just have to click on the sign up option to open a new Cash App account. So start by signing up. Um, Start the sign up process with your new email address or phone number. Then just verify the phone number or email ID. Then you just have to select the country and choose your account type, either business account or personal account. The next is you just have to add your bank account through debit cards. So it will also prompt you to enter your account number, CVV, and bank details. So you just have to enter your personal info such as address, area zip code, and then follow the on-screen instructions and enter all the required information for setting up a new Cash App account. So just a note, you have to make sure to use a different mobile number, bank account, and email address. So if you're gonna ask how to change Cash App personal account to business account, so first of all, you need to contact the cash support to get a business account. Then you just have to follow the steps from below. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!